welcome back to my channel. In today's makeup tutorial, I will be doing this Sailor Moon look. It's her little bunny blanket all over my nose. So I hope you guys enjoy. It took a long time because the sun is now going down. So yeah, there's that. But I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Tweet me this look if you've done it yourself. And yeah, Instagram, Twitter, eBay, PO Box, all that stuff down below. Still working on posting things on my eBay. Everything's just crazy. So much is going on. So yeah. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, let's get started on this makeup tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and contour just with a quick time lapse because you guys all know how to do that by now. And we're just gonna do the face makeup first using some really old products. I need to buy some new ones, I know. And yeah. Oh mamma mia, oh mamma mia, ma. Okay, now I'm gonna do concealer, just with this old concealer. So now I'm finished with the foundation concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little contouring, and then we can get to the fun part. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna put a rosy pinky blush on my cheeks. You know, I'm actually feeling, I haven't used this one in a while. This Too Faced one. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, I think I wanted to do like the Sailor Moon inspired bunnies, or what should I'm wondering if I should do like the bunnies or if I should do like just like a sparkly moon scene with the cats. Let me see what the bunnies look like. Yeah, I think we can do that. I think I'm going to start off with a lot of pink. Like so. So I've got this Morphe palette. This has a lot of pinky, rosy, purpley shades. 39S. Got the BH Cosmetics Colorado palette. Lots of good pink shades in there. And of course, my NYX Ultimate palette. I'm gonna go ahead and grab, that's a contour brush, eyeshadow brush. And with the pink shade that we've almost hit pan on, that I love, and just start building up the eyes. Wonder if I should do like a coordinating color, like blue. Pink, purple, and blue. Okay, just like this, watch. So like not up to the eyebrow, but like kind of there, if you know what I mean. Ah, sheesh, I messed that up. Whatever, we'll just go da 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 da. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Please do give me your makeup tips. I know I've been doing makeup for a while, but I find I'm not an absolute genius on it. So go ahead and give me any makeup tips or constructive criticism that you have. I like to hear what I'm doing wrong. So yeah. Okay, but I know how to be creative. I'm definitely an artist. So next, let's see. I'm gonna get another blue. Let me look at the Trendy in Tokyo palette. Done a review on this if you want to go check it out, by the BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo palette. But yeah, just gonna go in with blue up here. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, so yeah, we got that. Now it's time to add in the purple. Let's take just a light bit of this purple, not that much. Oh, okay. Oh, I messed that up. You know what? It's a mood. Who cares? You'll see what this looks like when I get done, but I'm just building on like a little cloud on my nose, like so. That looks super funky, but I'm just going to continue to build with different pastels and make it look all spacey, like you'll see, like Sailor Moony. Oh yeah, see, just build and blend. I'm connecting my mistake, so it kind of looks like a mask. Tuxedo mask. I haven't watched the show in a while. I watched Cinnamon Crystal. I haven't watched the new one. I haven't watched the old one. I watched the new one, not the old one. I heard it's really good. Also, I want to show you guys what I'm doing here is I'm taking the blue shade and kind of making an angle up with my mask thing that I'm making of Sailor Moon. You'll see, but it like, I don't know, looks cool. It makes your eyes look bigger, I guess. So I was wondering, I should probably take my eyeliner and go ahead and start drawing those little bunnies. I'm gonna have the picture of the bunnies here on my phone. I'm gonna look at them so I know what I'm drawing. The bunnies, moons, and stars. Or I can make, here, I'm gonna make some bunny shapes with my white eyeliner. Like this. Try and copy that little bunny. Bunny! 15,000 more to go. Like so. So yeah, I just went ahead and finished drawing my little bunnies. I took some black eyeliner and drew cute little bunny faces on them, as well as some moons and some stars. I felt as though I made a mistake when filling in the moons and stars. I filled them in with white eyeliner and put eyeshadow over them, which then that got really messy with the white eyeliner and the eyeshadow kind of mixing together. So I wish I would have had colored eyeliners to draw my moons and stars, or put concealer instead of white eyeliner and put the eyeshadow over that. So yeah. Oh my gosh, this is looking so cute. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna continue to draw the little details. So what do you think? Go ahead and do the eyeliner and mascara. Oh, and then we'll add the highlighter over top of it, like so. Ah! I messed up the look. Ah, I'm gonna die. Okay, yeah. Ugh. You know, whatever. I don't care. I worked hard on this little mascara. Mess it up. Okay, how's that look? It's time for the most important part, and that is highlighter, and of course the lip. But yeah, first things first, highlighter. So I'm going with Chill Zone, the bubblegum pink shade that I love. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do a purple lip, and let's get to the outro. I hope you guys like this look. Using a Too Faced, the peach lipstick. So yeah, what do we think? Do you guys like it? So yeah, the sun is going down. But this is the finished look. I hope you liked it and enjoy. Remember to hit that subscribe button, my eBay, Twitter, Instagram, PO Box, all that stuff's down below. Watching more videos if you wish to. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye!